Meaning of Hastings.
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 Hastings. Hastings is a place name that refers to a town in the county of East Sussex, England. The town is famous for its historical significance, as it is the site of the Battle of Hastings, which took place in 1066 and resulted in the Norman conquest of England. Today, Hastings is a popular tourist destination, known for its picturesque coastline, traditional fishing industry, and vibrant art scene. The town is also home to several landmarks, including the ruins of Hastings Castle, the East Hill Cliff Railway, and the State Open Air Market.